Hi everyone, this is Whit from Brainstem Tutoring, and I need to come on here real quick and give my day 8 of 25 recap. Today I planned on getting more done, but I didn't, but at least I got through one math section. However, this math section was the one I've done the worst on so far. Looking back at the answers to the problems that I did, I think I realized I need to sit down, and this is probably something I need to come back and study more, go more in depth rather than just going through practice problems. It's hard for me to read a question and make sure I just get the background right. Once I read the description of the answers, it like felt obvious, but in the middle of doing the questions, I was struggling. I think I timed myself. Of the 11 questions, I took 21 minutes, which is about 2 minutes a question, which I need to move faster on these. So these were tough in my accuracy and tough in my time management. So this is something I'm definitely going to bookmark and come back to. No reading and writing today, but I did get a walk in this morning, still listening to this book that I'm going over. Definitely is going pretty deep into American history to sort of predate the conflict of the Civil War. I think I heard of the Nullification Act and like the other times where parts of the Union tried to secede, but it's like the first time really like learning about that. I don't think we ever dived deep into I think called the Jinto event or something like that, where like the northern states almost seceded at some point. And so it's interesting. I did have to, the last 10 minutes of my walk, just turn off because it's kind of dense and just put on music instead. But still glad that I am making a pattern of walking. It's important for my physical health. And I finally got my iPhone notification saying there's been a change in the pattern of your movement. So excited for that. Tomorrow, more math. I think we're finally moving out of the algebra domain, and we'll see what else I get done. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow.